Welcome to your student teaching course. And what an exciting term this is. I love to facilitate this class because it's just so much fun and so exciting to watch you go through the student teaching process and actually move into practice. So I am here on the side in this course to support you. You have me as your teacher here. We'll do classroom work. You have your cooperating teacher in the classroom, and you will have your supervising teacher who is a GCU instructor who will visit and evaluate you. And that's the first thing. You want to look ahead to when your evaluations are and work with your cooperating teacher and your supervising teacher to make sure that those evaluations get done in a timely manner. There's always reminders to that, so the calendar is such a great place to start. The other thing to notice in this course is that there are forums for each week, 15 weeks, but there's only one question for each week. You are required, as always, to respond to at least 2 others in the forums in addition to the response. Now, the syllabus, that's your foundational document to get your textbook, the resources, the websites. So I print this out. I save a copy of the syllabus right here. I download and print it out. Of course, this has the live links, and that's the most important thing. So each week is called a topic, 15 weeks. Let's look at topic 1 the first week, the textbook readings, the resources, the model code of ethics for educators right there, and the PLN. Now, this is a great network that allows you to have access to many different resources. So the assignment for the first assignment is just to show that you have logged into the PLN network. It tells you how to do it, and you submit a screenshot of this for your assignment into LoudCloud. Everything goes into the LoudCloud assignments as in every other course. You're also asked to interview your cooperating teacher, and this is just a great way to break the ice and get to know the teacher. And then you're going to only submit a 250-word summarize of that. Now, there is one question based on the National Association of State Directors of Education and Certification, NASTEC model, Code of Ethics for Educators, and there you are up here. We just looked at that. Based on that, why is making a good first impression with your cooperating teacher so important? Pretty straightforward first week. Look ahead. I urge you to look ahead at the entire syllabus and be prepared. One of the biggest things you're going to be doing, not the biggest thing, but one thing you are going to be doing this course is creating a professional teaching portfolio. Now, you can choose any portfolio website you want, but you will turn, and this is what is going to be in the portfolio. And you'll begin working on this. Next week, you'll turn in the outline of the portfolio to me, a link. And week 14, you're going to turn in the link to the completed portfolio. So looking ahead at that is a good idea. And throughout the course, not every week, for example, not the first week, but you are going to be completing this STEP document. And that's where you demonstrate different aspects of teaching. And so this is filled out week by week. The student teaching evaluation performance template. And you notice that it shows you standard 1, 2, 3. There are 7 standards. And I think this first one is due the second week. And then each week you'll see the different standards. All you do is fill this in. You just fill in, and turn this in to me throughout the term. Things to look ahead to. I look forward to working with you. As again, this is such an exciting time for you. Let's have fun. Let's really have fun while we learn together.